Hello friends, welcome back to Being Healthy channel. Today we will discuss about different types of tests available to test the coronavirus. There are basically two different types of tests are available. They are called diagnostic tests and antibody tests. A diagnostic test can show if you have an active coronavirus infection or not. Currently there are two different types of diagnostic tests which detect the virus. I mean like molecular tests such as reverse transcription polymer chain reaction. We call it as generally RT-PCR tests that detect the virus genetic material, whereas there are antigen tests that detect specific proteins on the surface of the virus. So these two are the available diagnostic tests at present. And then whereas an antibody test looks for antibodies that are made by your immune system in response to the virus. I mean after you get infected. Antibodies can help in fight infections. And first we will see what is an antibody test. Antibody test or serological test is used to find out the presence of virus in our body. In this method of testing, blood samples are used to find out antibodies. This process also detects the quantity of antibodies that are produced by the immune system. Actually, it is an indirect method of testing as it cannot find the virus, but it gives you an idea whether your immune system has encountered it or not. Antibodies can show up basically from 9 days to 28 days, between 9 days to 28 days after getting the infection. By this time, the infected person can spread the virus to so many people. Now we will go back to the RT-PCR test. We will talk about the diagnostic tests. In this diagnostic test, as I said, there are two types: antigen tests as well as this molecular tests. But what happened with the antigen tests? Positive results are usually highly accurate, but negative results may need to be confirmed with a molecular test. That means you again need a RT-PCR test. So that is the reason most of the people going for this RT-PCR tests rather than antigen tests. This test is performed by taking the swab sample either from nose or throat from the patient. It involves extracting ribonucleic acid, that means RNA, a genetic material of the virus. If it shares the same genetic sequence as that of SARS coronavirus 2, then it is taken as positive. This form of testing only turns negative if the sample does not contain the virus or it was not administered properly. This is an expensive method, very expensive method. It requires RNA extracting machines, laboratory, and a trained personnel. A minimum of 30 samples are needed to make it economically viable. Sometimes it may take up to 4 hours to test for the presence of the virus from one patch. One test can cost up to 5,000 rupees. As I said earlier, it is very costly. On the other hand, antibody tests are fast and inexpensive. It is portable, administered at the site wherever you want, and provides quick results. Rapid test changes color when particular molecules are detected. It is the presence of immunoglobulin M, immunoglobulin G in a sample that determines the virus is present or not. These tests help in relaxing the lockdown in some areas because this test also give you the how much using this antibody test we can get an idea how much the virus is spread in a community. ICMR also laid out the strategy to use antibody tests. However, the idea is to use both antibody and RT-PCR tests because, as I said recently, antibody tests has given some unreliable results. IIT Kharagpur researchers developed a portable rapid diagnostic device that can test the sample for COVID infection within an hour. The use of solar power and battery, one can operate it even without training. At least 10 different samples can be tested every hour. Even pool testing is also possible by using this test kit. It only costs 400 rupees. So it is the first of its kind affordable testing for COVID in the world. So this is all about different type of tests. Thank you very much for listening. So we will see in the next video. Please, if you like the video, please like, comment and share. Thank you very much.